Hi everyone, Rainy here, and today we're going to take the cover, the winter cover off of my Panga. Yes, I have a Panga that I've been working underneath here, 15 foot I believe. The Robalo Panga, is that 15 or 16? I guess at my age you begin to forget things, you know. So, I'm going to uncover it and we're going to see how it weathered and do an update to see where we're at. So let's go ahead and figure out how to do this. I put it here last winter and not really sure how it all got. Oh, there we go, bungees. All right. So the bungees are over here. I have no idea what condition it's in or what we're going to find. Clamps, you never have enough of them. Let's see. Clamps. Toss that right up over there. There we go. Just drop one, and one more. I think that makes all of them. Put these all right over here. Let's see. Are you ready for the unveiling? Okay. Someone give me a drum roll. Almost came across clean, except for the last bungee. Wow. I forgot what condition it was in. First step, I want to look at the wiring to see if the rats ate this one. That's my last one. Good news, wires are all in good shape. So let's go around here and we'll check everything else out. Now if you remember last year, I had coated it and I hadn't sanded it, so I need to sand all this down. Okay, that looks good. Let's go over here. Everything's looking good there. Looks like there's no water damage or anything. That's good. Everything's looking nice. Okay. Have a few places like over here. Gonna have to do a skim coat once I sand everything down. There's some holes you can see in the fiberglass. This came out a lot nicer than I thought it would, you know, with all those cross pieces of wood. Let's get back over here. Alright, so all in all, it came out a lot better, or it withstood the winter a lot better than I thought it would. As usually you're worried about having cracks in the tarp and water getting through, but I don't see where that happened. My wiring looks good. The trailer's not rusted. I got it registered a couple weeks ago. Actually, I got the trailer registered. The boat needs to be finished before I get that done. So, all in all, I think it's looking really great. Next step is to find a day where it's beautiful like today, but I have some time because I've been so busy with my gardening and with my day job to start sanding it. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.